Elmara Panchayat by Khobjak 43 Korbok Assembly Constituency wa door-to-door campaign khlailekha aro thangi manjakha YTF Central Secretary Topondev Borma, YTF Central Member Somoria, YTF Block Committee Working President Omar Mohan Jamatia, Sujit Chakma, YTF Block Secretary Sukhi Mohan Tripura, Korbok Tipamotha Political District Vice President Afrosi Mok, Elmara Panchayat ni Chairman Rims Hasumok Akosong.
Ay que se va chole nai